Hello, welcome to question 13 of the C functions and nested loops question. Question says if we list all natural numbers 10, right? Then that if we list natural numbers below 10 that are multiples of 3 or 5, we get 3, 5, 6, and 9. The sum of this number is 23. Write a program that computes and prints the sum of all the numbers of 3 or 5 below 1200, excluded, followed by a new line. You are allowed to use the standard library. Okay, let's continue. Control C. Let's copy the file now. Okay, let's clear the file name. That is the file name. My my terminal is like this. Let me refresh. Okay. See. So what do we do now? Let's be sure where we are. Okay. We are doing number 100 now. 200, 101 now. Okay, this is number 12. This is the name 101. Then the next thing we do is to be exact. Type slash include. Okay. So this is the main code. This is what you're going to write. This is it. So pause the video and check it out and save it. Okay. Escape. So let's clear it. The next thing we are going to do. Okay, that's the answer. So what we are going to do now is to add them there, commit them. So git add all git commit. So you can see our answer is correct. Please like, subscribe, please. Subscribe, please. It will go a long way to support this journey of helping one another, please. Thank you.